Hello students, welcome to revision section part 1. In this video, we will discuss 20 important questions from chapter 1, The Living World, class 11th, Biology. Here is question number 1. Name the scientist who proposed the system of binomial nomenclature. The name of the scientist is Carolus Linnaeus. He proposed binomial nomenclature in which organism is provided with biological names having two components. First is generic name and second is species name. That is why the name given binomial nomenclature. Question number 2. Mangifera indica Linn is the scientific name of mango. Part A of the question. What do the first two parts represent? The first part, Mangifera, is generic name and second part, indica, is the species name. B part of the question. What does Linn indicates? Linn indicates Linnaeus, who had first described this species. So it is taken from the name of the scientist. Part C of the question. Why are the first two words written in italics? Because these two words are in Latin. So remember, biological names are generally in Latin. Next, question number 3. When we try to define living, we look for certain distinctive characteristics of living organism. Mention 6 such features. Answer. There are some characteristic features in living organism which are called defining features. Means they clearly define living forms. These are: first, metabolism. This metabolism takes place in all living organisms. Metabolism means all biochemical reactions which are there in the living forms, they are called metabolism. So metabolism takes place in all living organisms. Second, cellular organization of body. Means cells are the structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Third, consciousness. Means living organism environment को sense करते हैं and respond करते हैं, or you can say they are aware of environment. So it is also the defining feature of living organism. Fourth, interaction and emergence of new property. Let me explain this property. जब group of similar cells आपस में interact करते हैं, then they form tissue, and tissue have properties which are not present in the cells, but they are formed due to the interaction between the cells. Similarly, cell में molecules होते हैं जो interact करते हैं and form cells, and जो properties cell में हैं they are not present in the molecules but arises due to interaction among the molecules. So there is interaction and new property emerges in living form. So this is also the defining feature of living organisms. Now come to the non-defining properties of living forms. These are growth and reproduction. Clear? Question number 4. Name 2 animals which do not reproduce at all. Answer is mule and worker honey bee. They do not reproduce but are living. So reproduction को living organism की defining property नहीं कह सकते हैं. Clear? Question number 5. Name 4 processes that are basic to taxonomy. These 4 processes are: number 1, characterization; number 2, identification; 3, classification; and 4th, nomenclature. So these are the 4 processes basic to taxonomy. Question number 6. Complete the given sequence of taxonomic categories. See the flow diagram. In this, you have to identify A and B. Taxonomic category A is family and taxonomic category B is class. Note one important point. In different taxonomic categories, many species grouped and form genus, many genus grouped and form family, and many families grouped and form order, and so on. Question number 7. The plant families Solanaceae and Convolvulaceae belong to order dash. These two families come under order Polymoniales. So you can see here families group together and forming an order. Clear? Come to question number 8. What is meant by a nomenclature in biology? Answer is, nomenclature refers to giving biological names to organisms. Question number 9. Write the 2 codes of nomenclature of living organism. For plants, scientific names are based on agreed principles and criteria given by ICBN, which is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, and for animals it is ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Question number 10. How do following organisms reproduce asexually? A. Hydra. See the diagram? It reproduces by budding, which is an outgrowth from the parent hydra. B. Protonema of moss. It reproduces by fragmentation, means breaking into pieces, and each piece will form new organism. And also it reproduces by formation of buds. C. In planaria, there is regeneration takes place from any fragments. Clear? See the diagram? You can see the fragments, and these fragments are forming new planaria by regeneration process. D. Fungus. It reproduces by fragmentation and also by formation of spores. Question 11. Plants and animals grow by mitotic cell division. Write the differences they exhibit in their growth. Answer is, growth in plants, it occurs at certain regions called meristems. For example, root tip and shoot tip of the plant have apical meristem where the growth occurs. But in animals, growth occurs all over the body. Second difference देखिए, in plant, growth occurs throughout the life, but in animals, it stops after certain period. Question number 12. What is metabolism? It is sum total of all chemical reaction occurring in body of living organism. So, जितनी भी body के अंदर chemical reactions होती हैं, they are called as metabolic reactions or metabolism. Question number 13. Define biodiversity. Biodiversity means number and types of organism present on earth that come under biodiversity. Question number 14. Each category or unit of classification represent a rank. Commonly called as dash, it is commonly called as taxon. It is a unit of classification representing a rank. Question number 15. The term dash is used for plants in place of phylum for animals. It is division, which is used for plants in place of phylum. Question number 16. All organisms having notochord and dorsal hollow neural system are included in dash. Answer is phylum Chordata. Here all organisms are having notochord and dorsal hollow neural system. Question number 17. Name the publication of Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus published a book, Systema Nature, based on systematics. What is systematic? It is a branch of study deals with systematic arrangement of organisms. Question number 18. Here you have to match column 1 with column 2. Column 1, A, it is genus. It is matched with Mangifera. Mangifera is a genus of mango. B, phylum. Aschelminthes is a phylum. C, class. Insecta is a class of phylum Arthropoda. D, family. Solanaceae is a family which has genus Solanum, Petunia and Dhatura. Question number 19. From the given taxonomic hierarchy, which taxa has maximum number of common characteristics? Answer is species. And question number 20. Which has the minimum number of common characteristics? Answer is kingdom. Remember, higher the category, lesser will be the number of similar characteristics, and lower the taxa, more characteristics that the members of taxon share. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.